Welcome back to our channel. Today, we explore the fascinating world of IPTV. So what exactly is IPTV? Let's break it down for you, step by step. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, providing a seamless streaming experience. Today's discussion will revolve around how you can easily access this fantastic service. First, you need a reliable IPTV provider. We recommend .2tv.store for your needs. 2tv.store stands out for its extensive channel lineup and high-definition quality content. Next, sign up for their service by visiting their website and choosing a package. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation email containing your login credentials. Now it's time to choose your device. IPTV works on multiple platforms and devices. Whether it's a smart TV, Android device, or even a PC, the choice is yours. Download and install the appropriate IPTV app that works seamlessly with your device. Log into your account with the credentials you received from 2tv.store. After logging in, you will access a user-friendly interface with tons of content. Explore various categories and find your favorite channels to start watching immediately. Remember, 2tv.store offers various options, ensuring there's something for everyone. In conclusion, getting IPTV is an easy and exciting way to enjoy tons of entertainment. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment below your IPTV experience.